Welcome from Brecht Caravan in Heilbronn, Germany. This is the Carado i338 fully integrated motorhome, and I'm going to show it to you in 3 minutes or less. Now, there is more information in the description. Now, as I come in, note there is a low entry and the step is internal. The door, you may have noticed, has a window in it. There is an enormous bed over the cockpit. This vehicle is on a automatic basis. Here as well, large table. As I come further into the vehicle, kitchen has a large Thetford fridge and freezer. There is a corner kitchen with storage below, as you'd expect. 3 burners and a sink and storage space for preparation. Here we have the wardrobe. I know somebody will say the wardrobe next to the kitchen. That's a bit odd, but it's got to go somewhere. This is a rather small vehicle. And here behind we have this large wet room. And here we have a false wall which will open like that to reveal the shower, where you can shower without getting the toilet wet. At the back we have this German layout which can be extended. This comes out here and that part of the mattress will go on here. Under this there's storage on both sides. There's also storage compartments at the back, and each side has a window with a ledge above it. For those of you who are shy, there's the curtain which is here will close off the rest of the motorhome. So let's have a look at the outside rather quickly. And here, what this vehicle has is this exceptionally large storage area. Absolutely amazing. And here we have the gas cupboard and where the cassette toilet goes. And there's a very quick overview of this vehicle. There is another video in which I go into it in far more depth, so if you want to know more about it, have a look at that. There's also quite a lot of information in the description, or if there isn't, then write down that I forgot to do it. Thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Heilbronn, Germany.